book an appointment with CIBC, you have several options. Online appointment booking. Visit the CIBC website and navigate to the Contact Us or Book an Appointment section. Fill out the appointment booking form with your personal information, preferred date, time, and reason for the appointment. Submit the form and the CIBC representative will contact you to confirm the appointment details. Phone appointment booking. Call CIBC's customer service number. You can find this number on the CIBC website or your banking documents. Speak to a customer service representative and request to book an appointment. Provide them with your availability and the reason for the appointment. The representative will schedule the appointment for you and provide confirmation details. Branch visit. Visit a CIBC branch in person. Speak to a representative at the branch customer service desk or reception area. Request to book an appointment for your desired date and time. The branch staff will assist you in scheduling the appointment and provide confirmation.